Hi! Subscribe to Learnful Bunny and learn something new every day. Nice to meet you. I'm Learnful Bunny. Today, let's embark on a journey into the forest. Who knows what kind of animals we'll meet? It's going to be a lively and playful adventure of discovery. Oh, look, it's a wild rabbit. Don't be shy, come here. Does it look a lot like me? Actually, we have our differences. A wild rabbit is a cute little animal with soft, fluffy fur. They come in different colors like brown, gray, and white. What's special about rabbits are their long ears and their adorable, twitching noses. They have strong back legs that help them hop around very quickly. Wild rabbits are very shy and like to hide in tall grass or burrows underground. I think they're lovely with their fluffy tails and quick hops. Wild rabbit.
Wild rabbit.
Wild rabbit.
Wild rabbit.
Who's over there? It's a squirrel. Squirrels are tiny, playful creatures with big, bushy tails. What's amazing about squirrels is how they scamper up trees and jump from branch to branch. They have sharp claws to help them climb. Squirrels are known for collecting nuts and acorns and hiding them in secret places. Can you share some nuts with me? Squirrel.
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 Be careful, don't step on me!
Hello, Mr. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs are spiky little animals covered in sharp quills. They have a round body and tiny legs. What's unique about hedgehogs is that when they get scared, they curl into a tight ball, and their quills stick out like a spiky shield. They come out at night and love to snuffle around for insects. Hedgehogs are so interesting because of their prickly appearance. Hedgehog.
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 Would you like to hop around with me? It's so much fun.
I also like to hop around, but not today. Let's hop together next time. And here's the gentle Miss Deer. Deer are elegant animals with long legs and a beautiful brown coat. Some deer have antlers on their heads, they're like big branches. They use these antlers to protect themselves and find food. Deer are peaceful and enjoy munching on leaves, grass, and twigs. I love watching deer in the forest, they seem so gentle. Deer.
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 The smart and clever raccoon is here. It's rare to see you during the day. Raccoons are clever and mischievous creatures with a mask-like pattern around their eyes. They have a ringed tail and soft fur. Raccoons are known for their curiosity and the way they wash their food in water before eating it. They are excellent climbers and diggers. I think raccoons are clever and cute, even though they can be a bit naughty sometimes. Raccoon.
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 Of course, I can be the smartest. For example, did you know that a ferret is quietly following you?
What? A ferret is a small creature with a long, slender body. They have soft fur that can be different colors, like brown, white, or black. What's fascinating about ferrets is their mischievous nature. They love to run and chase things. They also have a cute face with a pink nose and whiskers. I think ferrets are adorable little explorers. Ferret.
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 Oh, it's Mr. Fox. Foxes are clever and beautiful animals. They have bushy tails and a furry coat that can be red, gray, or even white. What makes foxes special is their sharp, pointed ears and clever eyes. Foxes are known for their intelligence and hunting skills. I find foxes very fascinating with their sly and smart personalities. Fox,
Fox.
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 Hello, but it's time for me to go. There's a wolf nearby.
Taking a little break for your eyes is super important. So, why not give your eyes a short rest and enjoy some music? Don't worry, we'll continue our awesome adventure in just a bit. It's a wolf.
The forest is our place, so you'd better go away.
Wolves are majestic creatures with thick fur, usually gray or white. They have strong bodies and sharp teeth. What's amazing about wolves is how they live in packs, working together to hunt and protect each other. They have a hauntingly beautiful howl that echoes in the forest at night.
Wolf.
Wolf,
Wolf.
wolf.
Hurry, Wolf! Go away! This is the home for all of us animals. And Little Rabbit, what are you doing here?
Calm down. They're just here for a visit.
Bears are massive and powerful animals with shaggy fur. They come in different types, like brown bears or polar bears. What's special about bears is their big paws and strong claws. Bears are excellent swimmers and climbers. They can be both gentle and fierce. Bear,
Bear.
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 And this is a chimpanzee. They are quite similar to you humans. Chimpanzees are our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. They have dark fur and a human-like face. What's fascinating about chimpanzees is their intelligence and the way they use tools. They live in groups and are very social creatures.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee,
Chimpanzee.
chimpanzee.
Hello, little rabbit. It's time to go back today.
I'm not a little rabbit, I'm the Learnful Bunny. Well, today, we made so many new friends. Do you remember all of them? Wild rabbit,
Wild rabbit.
squirrel,
Squirrel.
hedgehog,
Hedgehog.
deer,
Deer.
raccoon,
Raccoon.
ferret,
Ferret.
fox,
Fox.
wolf,
Wolf.
bear,
Bear.
chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee.
Great job! Today you've learned so many new words. Subscribe to Learnful Bunny and learn something new every day. See you next time.